It's ready. It's ready to bake. Look at that. Ready to bake. Another Spanish. And another. Last one.
So the first thing she does is knock for that dog, and yet her son.
And it's all done. Done baking. Ayan, nabawasan na ng dalawa ni Daddy yung Spanish. And here's more. Yay. Tinapay kayo dyan.